हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा मैथ्स will discuss mathematics extra exemplars of chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry of class 10th. These all questions are MCQs and these are top priority questions, means very important questions. These are important for CBSE, for RBSE, for NTSE, or for any other competitive exam. So please keep a notebook and pen with you and start doing with me. Question number 1 to 20 we already have done, and now question number 21. The distance of the point P, that is 2, 3 from the y-axis is, we know if any point P is written like this x, y, then x is the distance of the point from y-axis. And y is the distance of the point from x-axis. Here you need the distance from y-axis. So here the distance from y-axis is x-coordinate and x-coordinate is 2. So answer of this question is 2. A is the correct option. Next question. The distance between the points P and Q with coordinates 1, 4 and 4, 0 is, we know that distance between 2 points given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 is 4 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, that is 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. 3 whole square is 9, minus 4 whole square is 16, that is 25, so 5. Therefore, the answer of this question is B, that is 5. Next question. The distance between the points P and Q with coordinates given, we again know that the distance between the 2 points given by x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 y1 is 1, 1 and x2 y2 is 5, 5. So 5 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square, that is 4 square plus 4 square. 4 square is 16 plus 16, that is square root of 22. You can write 4 into 4 into 2, that is 4 root 2. So the correct answer is B. Next question. Find the distance between the 2 points minus 1, minus 3 and 5, 5. Again taking the distance formula. आप इतने बार डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला को लिखिएगा कि आपको लर्न हो जाए. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 5 plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 3 whole square, that is 6 whole square plus 8 whole square. See, 5 plus 1, that will be 6. 5 plus 3, that will be 8. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64, that is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So, correct answer is C. Next question is, the distance of the point from the origin. Student, the distance of the point origin, you can always write distance, let the O is the coordinate and other point is alpha, beta. Using the distance formula, you can write alpha minus 0 whole square plus beta minus 0 whole square, that is alpha square plus beta square. So you can write the answer here. D is the correct answer. D is the correct option. You can write the answer directly. अगर आपसे ये सीधा सा ही फॉर्मूला होता है कि the distance of the point xy from origin is always x square plus y square. आपको ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. You could write square root of alpha square plus beta square. You can use this formula directly. Next question. The line segment joining the point, 2 points P and Q with coordinates given is trisected at A and B. Trisect means divide into 3 equal parts. So point A divides AB in the ratio. See here. Trisect means there are 3 equal parts. PA is equal to AB is equal to BQ. So A divides in the ratio. In the ratio, 1 part is this side and 2 part is this side. So A divide in the ratio 1:2. देखिए एक पार्ट इधर है और 2 पार्ट इधर है. This. So in this question, point A divide AB in the ratio 1:2. Next question. The line segment joining the point P that with coordinates 3, -1 and Q with coordinates -6, 5 is trisected at A and B. The coordinates of point B will be, we know that B divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. So in place of M, you can take that is 2:1. That is 2:1. Yes, point A divides in the ratio 1:2, but point B divide in the ratio 2:1. So in place of M, you can take a 1, or in place of N, you can take 1. Let the coordinates of point B, इस जो point P है, let the coordinates of point B be xy. So using the section formula, x is equal to yes. So the coordinates of point B, that is x comma y, and B divides in the ratio m is to n. So using section formula, mx is equal to mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate will be given my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So that is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. मैं लिख लेता हूँ पहले n और n की वैल्यू, and x2 is -6, x1 is 3, y2 is 5, and y1 is -1. See here, x1, y1 is this, and x1, y1 is 3, minus 1, and x2, y2 is -6, 5. So again simplifying, -12 plus 3, that is -9/3, and 10 minus 1, that is 9/3. So -3, 3. So therefore D is the correct option here. The coordinates of point B will be -3, 3. D is the correct option here. Next question, the line 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 divides the line joining the points 1, 3 and 2, 7 internally in the ratio. किस रेशियो में इसको डिवाइड करते हैं? तो लेट ये जो लाइन है, दिस इज द लाइन 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. This point is 1, 3 and this point is 2, 7. यहाँ पे मान लीजिए ये दोनों पॉइंट इसको P पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, and let the coordinates of point P be x, y. So we can write let line 3x plus 9 minus 5 is equal to 0 intersects 1, 3 and 2, 3, means intersect the line segment, means you can say AB, which is AB in the ratio K is to 1. So using the section formula, x coordinates are given kx2 plus x1 by 2, and y coordinate given ky2 plus y1 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to k, x2 is 7, x1 is 1 upon that is k plus 1, sorry, that is also k plus 1. That is k plus 1, and that is in play y coordinate will be k y2, sorry, x2 is 2, x1 is 1, k y2 is 7, and y1 is 3 upon k plus 1. So you can write 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1 and 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1. Right? Here x1, y1 is 1, comma 3, x2, y2 is 2, comma 7. And k, the ratio is taken here, k is to 1. So using this formula, yes. Okay. And now we know that this point x and y is the solution of this line. क्योंकि ये point P है 3x plus y minus 9 पे lie करता है. तो ये point P जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट x, y है, जो x is equal to 2k plus 1 by k plus 1 है, और y2 कोऑर्डिनेट जिसका x कोऑर्डिनेट है जिसका 2k plus 1 and y कोऑर्डिनेट है 7k plus 3 by k plus 1, इसको सेटिस्फाई करेगा. सो in this line 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. In place of x you write 2k plus 1 by k plus 1, and in place of y you write 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1. So 3x plus y is equal to 9. In place of x we write 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1, and that is 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1, that is 9. Taking LCM k plus 1, that is 6k plus 3 plus 7k plus 3 is 9. On further simplification, 6k plus 7k, 13k plus 6 is equal to 9k plus 9. So that is 13k minus 9k is equal to 9 minus 6. That is 4k is equal to 3. And k is equal to 3 by 4, or divide in the ratio 3:4. Yes, so A is the correct option here. So A is the correct option. Right, student? A is the correct option. इस क्वेश्चन को वापस से एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. देखिए, ये कोई पॉइंट है 1,3, 2,7. हमने सपोज किया कि मान लीजिए ए, सपोज 1,3 is point A and 2,7 is point B, and a line whose equation is 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 given, intersect the line segment joining A and B at P in the ratio k is to 1, means AP is to BP is k is to 1. And then first of all we have to find out the coordinate of point P. Point P के coordinate हमें find out करने होंगे section formula से. So x is given by k x2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, and y coordinate is given k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. यहाँ पे देखिए x1 की जगह 1 पुट करिए, y1 की जगह 3 पुट करिए, x2 की जगह 2 पुट करिए, और y2 की जगह 7 पुट करिए. We get x is equal to 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1, and y is given by 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1. इस पॉइंट के P पॉइंट के x की टर्म में कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करने के बाद क्या करेंगे कि ये जो पॉइंट P है इस स्ट्रेट लाइन पे लाई करता है. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन किसका ग्राफ है? दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ द इक्वेशन 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. तो इस इक्वेशन में जहां भी x है, you replace x by 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1, and you replace y by 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1. And as you replace and on solving, we get k is equal to 3 by 4. It means this line with the equation 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0, divide this line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. So A is the correct option here. Now question number 9. Sorry, next question 29. Using the distance formula here, student, you can say here that is this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So using the distance formula again, distance is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is given a minus b and x1 is given a प्लस बी. इसको आप इस तरह से ब्रैकेट में लिखिए. जब पहले से ऑलरेडी ब्रैकेट हो, देखिए पहले से ब्रैकेट टू टर्म्स है तो इनको बड़े ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिएगा. एंड then y2 is minus a minus b, so minus a minus b minus a minus b whole square, that is y1 is a minus b. Now open the bracket, a minus b minus a minus b whole square minus a minus b minus a plus b whole square. Further we can write plus a minus a cancel, that is minus 2b whole square plus b minus b cancel, that is minus 2a whole square. Further we can write 4b square plus 4a square. Minus 2b whole square is 4b square, minus 2a whole square is 4a square. Further we can write 4a square plus b square plus square root of 4. We can take this 4 outside as 2, so that is 2 square root a square b square. That will be the answer of this question. Can we check here the answer? Yes, C is the correct option here. So we can mark here. The correct option is C here. 2 into square root of a square plus b square, 2 into square root of a square plus b square. Now next question. If A, B is the midpoint of line segment joining minus 6, 5 and R minus 2, 3, then the value of A plus B is A, B midpoint hai. देखिए, you can draw here a line. This is line. AB is the midpoint, means coordinate of midpoint is AB, and that P coordinates, that is minus 6, 5, and Q coordinate, R coordinate, that is minus 2, 3. Question को फिर से read करेंगे. If AB is the midpoint of the line segment joining point P with coordinates minus 6, 5 and point R with coordinates minus 2, 3, then the value of A plus B. Using the midpoint formula, we know that A is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So x is minus 6 minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 8 upon 2, that is minus 4. And y coordinate, this y coordinate will be given by y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 5 plus 3 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So A is equal to minus 4, B is equal to plus 4, A plus B, that is minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. So the correct answer is C, because we need the value of A plus B. Here A is minus 4, B is plus 4, A plus B is minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. So answer of this question is C, that is 0. Next question. If the distance between the points x, y minus 1 and 3, 2 is 5. Here, let the 2 points be here. One point is this point is let A with coordinate x, minus 1. This point is B with coordinate 3, 2. And the distance between them is given by 5. So using distance formula, distance is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus x whole square, 2 plus 1 whole square, that is 5. Because the distance is given 5 unit. On further simplification, that is square root of 9 minus 6x plus x square plus 3 square is 9, that is 5. Squaring both sides. When we square both sides, then 9 minus 6x plus x square plus 9 is 25. So here the equation is x square, I'm taking this side. So x square, I can write here, minus 6x, 9 and 6, 15. That is 15 minus 25, that is minus 10 is equal to 0. Sorry, 9 plus 9, 18, that will be 18 minus 25, that is minus 7. Now splitting middle, factorize splitting by splitting middle term, x square minus 7x plus 1x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x minus 7 plus 1, x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x minus 7 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, or putting again, x minus 7 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 7. And putting x plus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 1. So the answer is 7 or minus 1, that is D is the correct option here. Next question. The points 1, 1, minus 2, 7, and 3, minus 3 are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Are collinear, means lying on the same straight line, or vertices of an isosceles triangle of none of these. इसके लिए हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. देखिए लेट this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. So using the distance formula, AB, distance AB will be given minus 2 minus 1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, and 7 minus 1 whole square, that is minus 3 whole square is 9, and 6 whole square is 36, the square root of 45. You can write 3 root 5. BC distance, that is this point is B and this point is D, C, using the distance formula again. 3 plus 2 whole square minus 3 minus 7 whole square 3 plus 2, 5 whole square, that is 25. Minus 3 minus 7 minus 10 whole square, that is 100. Total is square root of 125. So you can write 5 root 5 unit. And now AC distance, A is 1, 1 and C is 3, minus 3. So we can say, taking again using the distance formula, 3 minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 1 whole square. See, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Further, we can write that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 whole square is 4. And minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square is 16. So that is square root of 20. We can write 2 root 5. So here we observe that AB plus AC दोनों smaller sides को हम ऐड करते हैं. देखिए AB is 3 root 5 and AC is 2 root 5. Their sum is 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5. That is 5 root 5, and that is AC. So since AB plus AC, sorry, AB plus BC, AB plus AC, and that is BC, sorry. AB plus AC is equal to BC. Therefore, the 3 points are collinear. This point is B, this point is C, and this point is A here. AB plus AC is equal to BC. So the answer is, because sum of the two smaller sides is equal to the larger sides, the points will be collinear. Next question. The coordinates of the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 0, 6, 8, 12, and 8, 0. Here, point this point is A, 0, 6. That is x1, y1. B, that is 8, 12. You can say x2, y2. And point C, 8, 0, and here you can say x3, y3. And coordinates of centroid are given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, that is x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, that is y coordinate. So x coordinate will be 0 plus 8 upon 3, and y1 plus y2 plus y3, y1, y2, y3, 6 plus 12 plus 0 upon 3, that is 16 upon 3, and that is 18 upon 3, so that is 16 upon 3, 6. So here E is the correct option. The centroid means this centroid वो पॉइंट होता है जहां पे ट्राइंगल की सारी तीनों मीडियंस एक जगह पे मिलती है. मीडियंस ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल आर कंकरेंट with the meet at the same point. So B is the correct option here. Next question. Two vertices of a triangle are 3, minus 5 and minus 7, 4, and centroid is given by 2, minus 1. Third coordinates we have to calculate here. So we can say let one coordinate, the coordinate of one vertex is 3, 5, other is minus 7, 4, and third is x, y. But centroid is given. So using the formula centroid, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. The x coordinate of centroid is 2 and x coordinate of centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So here 2 as it is, x1 ki jagah you can put x in place of, you can say this is x1, this is x2 and this is x3. Then plus 7 minus 7 by 3. So 3 to the 6 is equal to x minus 4. So x is equal to 10. And for y coordinates, y coordinate of centroid is given by, that is minus 1, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Minus 1, what is y1? Y plus minus 5 plus 4 divided by 3. So minus 3 is equal to y minus 1. So y minus 3 plus 1 is y. So y is minus 2. So the x, y coordinate of the third vertices will be 10, minus 2. So C is the correct option here. Yes. ये जो पॉइंट है हमारा, इस पॉइंट, इसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे वो होंगे 10, x कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 10 and y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी -2. Next question. The midpoint of the line segment joining a -2, -4 and b is, we know the midpoint of a line segment with the endpoints given, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, that will be x coordinate. y1 plus y2 by 2, that will be y coordinate. Here x coordinate is -2 minus 6 by 2 and y coordinate will be -4 plus 8 by 2, -8 by 2 and 4 by 2, that is -4 and 2. देखिए ये हमारा है x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला से किसी मिड पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड करने का ये फॉर्मूला है x1 plus x2 by 2, means add x coordinates of the end point and divide by 2, and y coordinate of the midpoint is given by add y coordinates of the two end points and divide by 2. So here the answer is 4, 2, -4, 2, sorry. So the C is the correct answer. Next question. The points A, that is 9, 0, B is 9, 6, C -9, 6 and D -9, 0 are the vertices of, किसके vertices हैं, किसके vertex ये है, देखिए. तो ये वर्टेक्स पता लगाने के लिए ये पता लगाएंगे कि ये स्क्वायर है कि रेक्टेंगल है कि रोम्बस है. रोम्बस के लिए all four sides should be same. रेक्टेंगल के लिए opposite side should be equal but diagonal should also be equal. स्क्वायर के लिए all four sides should be equal and diagonal should also be equal. So using the distance formula, first we find out AB. So here we can use see here, okay, x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. So we can write 9 minus 9 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square, 9 minus 9, that is 0. So 6 whole square is square root of 36. That is square root of 36, that is 6. So AB is given by 6 unit. Now BC, using the distance formula, this is BC. So minus 9 plus 9 whole square. Sorry, minus 9 because x2 is now minus 9 plus plus 6 minus 6 whole square. So that's minus 6 plus 6 cancel out, minus 9 minus 18 whole square. So you can say minus 18 whole square, that is 18 whole square, that is 18. माइनस 18 का होल स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करिए तो प्लस 18 स्क्वायर होगा, और प्लस 18 स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो 18 होगा. सो BC इज 18 यूनिट. एंड नाउ CD for CD, see the coordinate minus 9 plus 9 whole square. CD is this, plus 0 minus 6 whole square, minus 9 plus 9 cancel. So that is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So CD is 6 यूनिट. अब हमें कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा AD. देखिए यहाँ पे फॉर द AD अगेन यूजिंग द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, 9 plus 9 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, that is 18 whole square, that is 18. So AD is 18 units. इस तरह से हम देखते हैं. देखिए AB is 6 unit, BC is 6 unit, BC is 18 unit and AD is also 18 unit. It means the opposite sides of this quadrilateral are equal. जब opposite sides equal होती है तो ये पैरेललोग्राम है. अगर मैं इसको रेक्टेंगल, ये रोम्बस तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, यस. ये स्क्वायर भी बिल्कुल नहीं है, क्योंकि अब स्क्वायर और रोम्बस में ऑल साइड्स इक्वल होनी चाहिए थी. तो इसका मतलब है कि इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी है रेक्टेंगल की. नन ऑफ दीज भी हो सकता है, लेकिन रेक्टेंगल के लिए हमें डायगोनल्स फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे. अगर दोनों डायगोनल्स इक्वल हुए तो ये रेक्टेंगल होगा. देखिए डायगोनल AC, that is AC diagonal. So diagonal AC is given by that is minus 9 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square, that is minus 9, that will be 80 minus 18 whole square, that is 18 whole square plus 36. And diagonal BD, इसको you can say that is also 9 plus 9 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. We can say that is 18 whole square plus 36. इसको हमें फर्दर कैलकुलेट करने की इसलिए जरूरत नहीं है कि दोनों ही डायगोनल इक्वल आ चुके हैं. देखिए it means diagonals are also equal. We can say that diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. Since the opposite sides of this quadrilateral are equal and diagonals also equal, that is why this quadrilateral is a rectangle. ये स्क्वायर इसलिए नहीं है कि इसमें all sides are not equal. रोम्बस भी इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि all sides are not equal. And This is rectangle because opposite sides are equal. 6, 6, 18, 18, and diagonals are also equal. That is why this quadrilateral is a rectangle. Yes. The distance between the points A0,6 and B8,0 is again using the distance formula, that is 8 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square, that 8 is just 64, minus 6 whole square is 36, 64 plus 36, that is 100. Square root of 100 is plus minus 10, but distance is always taken positive. So what is the distance? Distance is 10 unit. Next question. The distance between the point using the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0, 0 whole square plus minus 2 minus 6 whole square, 0 minus 0 is 0, or that is minus 8 whole square, that is minus 8 square is 64, 8's square root is 8, but distance is always taken positive, so that is plus 8 answer. So distance between the point 0,6 and 0, minus 2 is 8 unit, and that is the answer of this question. Next question. The ratio in which the point P means origin divide the line segment joining the points minus 5, 0 and B10, 0 is. देखिए स्टूडेंट, वैसे तो आप अंदाजा वैसे ही लगा सकते हो ग्राफ पेपर पे, दो तरीके से इसको कर सकते हैं. minus 5, 0 will lie on x axis, 10, 0 lie on x axis. लेफ्ट में कितने पार्ट है? 5 पार्ट. डिस्टेंस इज 5 यूनिट लेफ्ट साइड, एंड राइट हैंड साइड में कितने पार्ट है? 10 यूनिट. तो ये 1,2 इसका आंसर आ गया है. दैट इज 1:2. और अगर मैं इसको सेक्शन फॉर्मूला से करूं तो मैंने लिखा यहाँ पे लेट O means the origin, which is 0, 0, divides in the ratio k is to 1. So the x coordinate is given kx2 plus x1 divided by 2. यहाँ पे हमें y coordinate की जरूरत नहीं है. देखिए x coordinate इस पॉइंट का 0 है, k as it is, and x2 is 10 minus 5, that is 2. When you multiply cross multiplication, sorry, that is not kx2, that is k plus 1, sorry. Once again, I'm also sorry, that is k plus 1. So when this k plus 1 multiplied by 0 becomes 0, so 0 is equal to 10k minus 5. So k 10k is equal to 5, k is equal to 5 by 10 or 1/2. So the origin, this point, origin means this point, divide the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 1:2. So A is the correct option. Next question, the ratio in which the point 0, 0 means again origin, divide the line segment joining the point A, that is minus 0, 5 and 0, minus 10 in the ratio. देखिए 0 का यहाँ कोई मतलब नहीं है. You can say, you can write here plus 0 is equal to minus 0 is equal to 0. Since your x coordinate of these 2 points is, this is 0 and this is 0, it means these both points will lie on the y axis. Okay, देखिए this portion is how, what is the distance here? That is 5 unit because it is given 0, 5, and this is 10 unit. You don't take minus 10 because minus तो आपको direction show करता है. ये unit है आपका 5 unit, ये unit है आपका 10 unit. So you can say means AP upon BP, that is 5 by 2, 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So this point origin will divide again in the ratio 1:2. You can also means do this question using the K method later. Late means 0, 0 means the origin divides AB in the ratio K:1. So x coordinate is given by Kx2 plus x1 by K+1. That is 0 K into x2. Sorry, I'm not taking here x. I'll be taking here y only. क्योंकि यहाँ तो ये 0, 0 हो जाएगा. That is why I have to take here. I'll be taking here y coordinate. So y is equal to ky2 plus y1 upon k+1, that is 0, k as it is, y2 is minus 10 and y1 is 5, that is upon k+1. When this k+1 multiplied by 0 becomes 0, so 0 is equal to minus 10k plus 5, or 10k is 5, k is 5 by 10, that is also 1 by 2. तो आप ऑब्जर्वेशन से भी इसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं और फॉर्मूला से भी इसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं आपको, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है तो आपको क्विकली आंसर देना होता है. दैट इज व्हाई द ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. And next question, the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point minus 1, 0 and 5, 0 is equal distance पे होगा. ये दो तरीके से कर लीजिए. देखिए x-axis पे it means any point lying on the x-axis, its coordinate is 0. Any point lying on x-axis, its coordinates means y coordinate is always 0. So it is given that distance PA is equal to, let this point be P. PA is equal to PB. ये जो P से डिस्टेंस A का और B का दोनों का सेम डिस्टेंस है. स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, PA स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू PB स्क्वायर. देखिए using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, so x plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, that is x minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square for PA square, and x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square for the distance PB. x plus 1 whole square can be given now x square plus 2x plus 1, that is x square minus 10x plus 25. See here, x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1. You can use the identity here. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now x square again cancel to 2x plus 10x, that 25 minus 1. So 12x is 24, that is why x is 2. So the value of x is 2. The coordinates of P are x comma 0. In place of x, we can write 2. Y is already 0. So the coordinate of this point P will be 2 comma 0. So therefore B is the correct option. Next question. We know that the distance from the origin is always given if distance of the any point from the origin is given x square plus y square. Therefore, here that is minus 6 whole square plus 8 whole square. किसी भी पॉइंट का ओरिजिन से जिस x और y पॉइंट है, मान लीजिए दिस पॉइंट इज origin, that is 0 0, and this point is P, that is xy. Then OP is given by x square plus y square. So using the same formula, minus 6 whole square is 36, 8 square is 64, that is 64 plus 36, 100, square root of 100 is plus minus 10. The distance is never negative, so what is the distance here? Taking positive 10 only. So this is the correct option here. B is the correct option. Next question. If R is the midpoint of the line segment joining AB, joining the point 6, 5 and 4, y, then y equals 2. Yes. देखिए एक पॉइंट है आपका P पॉइंट है 4, y, और ये जो एक पॉइंट है, सॉरी, A पॉइंट है 6, 5, और ये जो पॉइंट R है, I have to mark here this point as R. ये R पॉइंट मिड पॉइंट है. It means we can say AR is equal to BR. So R is midpoint. Using the midpoint formula, we can say 5 is equal to 6 plus 4 divided by 2. That is right. But हमें तो ये पता ही नहीं करना है. हमें पता करना है कि y is equal to the coordinates of midpoint, that is y plus 5 divided by 2, that is will be 6. See, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. यहाँ पे y1 आप 5 लीजिए, y2 आप y ले सकते हैं, और divided by 2 करेंगे तो इसका मिडिल पॉइंट y कोऑर्डिनेट आएगा, because the midpoints of coordinates of midpoints are given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate given y1 plus y2 by 2. Here we are taking y coordinates only. So this 6 is equal to plus 5 plus y by 2. 6 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Y plus 5 is equal to 6 to the 12. Y is equal to 7. So which is the correct option here? That is why B is the correct option here. The value of y will be 7. Next question. If the point C with the coordinates of 4 comma p comma 4, divide the line segment AB with coordinates 2 comma 6 and B 5 comma 1 in the ratio 2:3, then the value of P is. We know x coordinate of the point is given by x coordinate bisection formula, that is given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. यहाँ हमें y coordinate की इसलिए जरूरत नहीं है कि y coordinate is already given and we need the m is to n. So in place of x you put p, in place of m is to n, that is 2:3. ये 2:3 रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, तो in place of m you can write 2 and in place of n you can write 3. So we can write 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. आपको ये पहले लिख देना चाहिए m और n, ताकि आपको x2 और x1 ही पुट करना पड़े. In place of x2 that is 5, in place of x1 that is 2. So P will be 10 plus 6 by 5. So that is 16 by 5. So 16 by 5, C is the correct option here. Next question. The sum of distances of the point P, that is minus 3,5 from x axis and y axis is. Please you mark the, पहले बताइए इसका आंसर, आप बताइए क्या होगा, आप सोच के रखिए. You please think and give the answer. Yes, the distance, this distance, yes, the distance of the point P from x axis is this. This is minus 3 is the x coordinate, right? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये जो डिस्टेंस है वो -3, yes, -3 नहीं है, always distance is taken as positive. So this distance is 3, this distance is 5, again C. देखिए डिस्टेंस हमें नेगेटिव नहीं ले सकते. ये जो कोऑर्डिनेट है इसका कोऑर्डिनेट -3,0 है, लेकिन ये जो डिस्टेंस यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है पॉजिटिव 3 यूनिट होगी. Coordinate is -3, no problem, but distance is not negative, never negative. So this is 3 unit and this is 5 unit. Total is, you can say, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 unit. And the answer is C is the answer. I think you have got it or confused. फिर से देखिए, डिस्टेंस कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होता. आपको ये देखना है कि ओरिजिन से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 3 यूनिट जाएंगे, तो डिस्टेंस तो +3 है. Coordinate may be -3, but distance of the from origin, that is 3, means this is also 3, and this distance means y distance, that is 5. The distance of the point from x axis is 5, distance from y axis is 3, so the total distance is 3 plus 5, that is 8. So C is the correct answer of this question. Next question. The perimeter of the triangle with vertices 0, 12, 0, 0 means origin and 5, 0 is perimeter. कितना है देखिए. Perimeter means sum of the distance, means sum of all the sides. Let this point is O, this point is A, and this point is B. So in triangle ABC, see here, OA is 5 unit. क्योंकि ये कोऑर्डिनेट है वो 5,0 है, तो O to A that is 5 unit. And similarly the distance O to B, this point is O, this point is B, so its coordinates are given 0, 12, means the height is 12, so OB is 12 unit. And now distance AB using the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square we can write 0 minus 5 whole square plus 12 minus 0 whole square minus 5 whole square is 25. 12 whole square is 144. 25 plus 144, that is 169. And square root of 169 is 13. So that is 5 unit. This is 12 unit. And this is 13 unit. Perimeter means sum of all sides, means OA plus OB plus AB, that is perimeter. 5 plus 12 plus 13, that is 17 plus 13, that is 30 units. So the correct answer is B is the correct option here. Next question, if A, B, C, and D are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, then the value of A is, we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, not diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Means here both the diagonals A, C, and BD are bisecting at point P. Means P is the midpoint of both the diagonals. So x coordinate of P is midpoint of diagonal AC. Its coordinate will be 1 plus 2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2. The coordinates of midpoints are given x2, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. And y coordinate will be 3 plus 5 y1 plus y2 by 2. See, ये हम AC का मिड पॉइंट P ले रहे हैं, तो इस P के x कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए 1 plus 2 divided by 2 and y कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए 3 y1 plus y2 divided by 2 and also P is midpoint of the other diagonal BD. Therefore, now this is the diagonal BD और P point है, इस diagonal का भी mid point है. So x coordinate will be given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate will be 2 plus 4 divided by 2. लेकिन देखिए ऑब्जर्व करने से आपको पता चलेगा ये दोनों ही कोऑर्डिनेट x कोऑर्डिनेट इस P पॉइंट के सेम ही है क्योंकि P पॉइंट सेम है. Therefore 3 by 2 is minus 1 plus a by 2. A 1 plus 2, that is 1 plus 2, 3 by 2 and minus 1 plus a by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So 3 plus 1 is equal to a. So the value of a will be 4. So yes, the value of a will be 4. चेक करते हैं आंसर में ए 4 है क्या कहीं पे? यस. सो therefore E is the correct option. Next question. The midpoint of line segment AB is P 0, 4. If B is minus 2, B, the coordinates of B are minus 2, 3. Then the coordinates of A are. देखिए ये let the coordinates of AB small a, small b. This point is B, its coordinate is -2, 3. Since P is midpoint of, since using the midpoint formula, x coordinate is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, and y coordinate of the midpoint given by y1 plus y2 by 2. Here that is given a minus 2 by 2 and b plus 3 by 2. देखिए x1 plus x2 divided by 2, that will be x coordinate. y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that will be y coordinate. But here x coordinate of the midpoint is given, that is given 0. Therefore a minus 2 by 2, that is equal to 4. देखिए ये कोऑर्डिनेट है आपके 0,4 और दिस इज गिवन. आप कंपेयर करिए, a minus 2 divided by 2, that is 0. So a minus 2 is equal to when 2 multiplied by 0 becomes 0. So a minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of a is 2. The value of a is 2. Yes. लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर ये 2,5 भी हो सकता है और 2,9 भी हो सकता है. अब हमें कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा y कोऑर्डिनेट को. देखिए, see here, that is y coordinate b plus 3 by 2, and that is y coordinate. Comparing again, we can write b plus 3 divided by 2, that is 4. b plus 3 is 8. b is equal to 5. So a comma b, that is 2, 5. Yes. So which is the correct answer here? क्या आपको ऑप्शन मिला यहाँ पे? Yes. That is 2,5 means A is the correct option here. Next question. The area of the triangle with the vertices 0, 12, 0, 0 and 5, 0 using the distance formula here. We are not using here the area formula, distance formula se dekhiye. These both points are lying, this is the origin and this is x-axis. So 0, 0 and 5 both lying on x-axis. This angle is 90 degree. This point 0, 12 is lying on the y-axis. So let this point is A, this point is 0, and this point is B. Area of triangle AOB by the formula 1 by 2 into base into corresponding altitude. 1 by 2, base is OA and altitude is OB. 1 by 2. देखिए, what is the distance here? O to A, that is 5 unit. O is 0, 0, A is 5, 0. So OA distance is 5 unit. And what is the height? Because the coordinates of point B are 0, 12. So 12 is the height. So OB is 12. We can write 1 by 2 into 60. That is 30 square unit. So the area of this triangle OBC will be 30 square unit. You can say that yes, this is 5 unit, that is 12 unit. Area of triangle using the formula 1 by 2 into base into corresponding altitude. The answer is 30. So that will be 30 square unit answer. Again, question number 50. The area of the triangle with vertices A4, 5, 0, B8, 0, and C8, 8 in the square unit is, yes. So here you say ए से बी का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, देखिए एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी दैट इज 1/2 into base into corresponding altitude 1/2। बेस इज ए टू बी कितना है, देखिए यहाँ ओरिजिन से ये 5 है और ओरिजिन से ये 8 डिस्टेंस है, तो ये जो डिस्टेंस हो गया ए बी दैट इज 3 यूनिट। सी हियर, हियर टू हियर इट इज 8 यूनिट, हियर टू हियर इट इज 5 यूनिट, so 8 minus 3 that is 5, so we can say, sorry, 8 minus 5 that is 3, so AB is 3 unit. We can write here base is 3 unit. And student, what is the height of this triangle? That is y coordinate is always the height of this any triangle. यहाँ origin से इसका y coordinate 8 है, इसलिए इसका height भी 8 ही है. That is why we can write the height is 8. So 1/2 into 8 is a 24. That is 12. Okay, so the area of this triangle is will be 12 square unit. आपने लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल में देखा होगा कि अगर ट्राइंगल ये है आपका, तो ये जो होता है दिस इज द हाइट एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू द y coordinate. So y coordinate is always the height from the x axis. So that is 8. So what is the answer? Answer B option is correct. That is 12 square unit is the area of this triangle. The coordinate of the point P dividing the line segment joining the point A 1,3 and B 4,6 in the ratio 2:1. So here you can say x1 is 1, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 6, and m is to n, that is 2:1. It is given. ये A1,3 और B4,6 कोऑर्डिनेट है, कोई पॉइंट P उनको 2:1 रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, तो हमें इस पॉइंट P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करने होंगे. We know using the section formula x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus 1. M that is 2, n that is 1, m that is 2 plus 1. What is x2? 4. And what is x1? 1. So that is 8 plus 1, sorry, 8 plus 1, 1 is 1, divided by 3, that is 9/3, that is 3. So the x coordinate of point P is 3. But now what is y coordinate? Again using the section formula, y coordinate is given by my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. m और n का वैल्यू आप पहले ही लिख लीजिए, that is 2 plus 1. What is y2? y2 is 6. And what is y1? y1 is 3. So that is 6 to the 12 plus 3, 15/3, that is 5. So x comma y, that is 3 comma 5. So the coordinates of point P will be 3 comma 5. So B is the correct option here. Next question. If the coordinates of one end of diameter of a circle are 2:3 and the coordinates of its center are -2, 5, then the coordinates of the other end of the diameter are. हमें पता है कि diameter का जो जो center होता है, middle point होता है इसका center. So we can say that ये midpoint of the diameter is center of the circle. So we can say O, that is -2, 5 is the center of the circle, is midpoint of diameter AB. So using the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, we can say -2 means x coordinate will be 2 plus a by 2, that is -4 is equal to 2 plus a, so a is equal to 6, and y coordinate will be 5 is equal to 3 plus b by 2. So 10 minus 3 is equal to b. B is equal to 7. So again, see, sorry, here a will be -6 because -4 -2, that will be -6, and b will be 7. So a and b will be -6, 7. And -6, 7, yes, that is A. That is why A is the correct option here. Next question. A point is given, B point is given. We have to find out the twice of AB, means AB distance निकालिए, उसका double करिए. So distance AB is given by the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is -1 plus 6 whole square. Say x2 minus x1 whole square, and y2 is -5, y1 is 7. So we can say -5 minus 7 whole square, that is 5 whole square plus -12 whole square. 5 whole square is 25, -12 whole square is 144. 25 plus 144, that is 169, and 169 its square root is plus minus 13, but the distance is taken only positive, so AB is equal to 13, and therefore twice of AB is twice of 13, that is 26. So answer of this question is twice of AB is 26. Answer. Next question is on your screen. ABCD is a rectangle whose three vertices are given: A, P, P, Q, B 4, 0, C 4, 3, and D 0, 3. They are taken in order, means A, then B, then C, then D, then A. Then find out the length of the diagonal AC. ये diagonal की length हमें find out करनी है. हमें पता है कि rectangle में both diagonals are equal. We know that in rectangle diagonals are equal, so diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So find out the diagonal BD using the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 4 minus 0 whole square. ये देखिए BD ये ले, क्योंकि इसके कोऑर्डिनेट हमें दे रखे हैं, तो 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square, 4 square is 16, minus 3 square is 9, square root of 25, that is plus minus 25. But distance is taken only positive, that is 5. But we know that AC is equal to BD. Both the diagonals are equal. So diagonal AC, this diagonal AC will be 5 unit. Diagonal BD is also 5 unit. That is 5 unit. So which is the correct option here? A is the correct option. That is answer. We need not, इसमें हमें P और Q का कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें इस रेक्टेंगल में पता है कि दोनों डायगोनल्स का लेंथ इक्वल होता है. दैट इज व्हाई the length of diagonal AC is equal to length of diagonal BD. Length of diagonal BD is 5 unit. So length of diagonal AC is also 5 unit. And next question. Which point on x-axis is equidistant from the point A with coordinates 2, 3 and B with coordinates 3, 3. वैसे में ये लिखा है कि कोई पॉइंट जो x एक्सिस पे है, A पॉइंट जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट 2, 3 है, B पॉइंट जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट 3, 2 है, इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे है, तो उस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स बताइए. हमें पता है कि ये पॉइंट x एक्सिस पे है, तो इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट तो 0 होगा. हमने कहा सपोज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दैट पॉइंट ऑन x एक्सिस इज x, 0. उस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट x एक्सिस पे x, 0 है. y0 y coordinate because y coordinate on x axis is always 0. So we can say it is given that PA is equal to PB. Squaring both sides, PA square is equal to PB square. Using distance formula, x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. So squaring x square minus 4x plus 4, square of 3 minus 3 is 9. Right hand side, x minus 3 whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9, and square of minus 2 is 4. Left hand side and right hand side देखिए x square हमारा कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So minus 4x plus 6x is equal to 4 will be cancelled by 4, 9 will be cancelled by 9, so that is 9. 2x is equal to 0. It means x is 0 by 2. It means x is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Therefore, the x coordinate of that point will be 0. देखिए p कोऑर्डिनेट हमारा था, p कोऑर्डिनेट है x, 0. हम यहाँ पे p कोऑर्डिनेट्स x कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं 0. y is already 0. So the value of this point is means p point will be 0, 0 means वो point p इसके कोऑर्डिनेट 0, 0 है, जिसका डिस्टेंस a means 2, 3 and b point which with coordinate 3, 2 equal है. k coordinate 0, 0 होंगे. That point will be 0.0. 0.0 means origin होगा. So which is the correct answer here? That is why A is the correct option here. That's all. Thank you. We have done question number 21 to 55 here without any break. Thanks.